In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a centerline line type in AutoCAD. Centerlines are commonly used in engineering and architectural drawings to indicate symmetry, center points, and axes. To begin, type LTYPE in the command line and press Enter. This opens the Line Type Manager. Click the Load button to view the available line types. Scroll through the list or press C on your keyboard to quickly locate the center line type. Select it and click OK to load it into your drawing. Next, select the line or object you want to convert into a centerline. Go to the Properties panel on the Home tab and find the Line Type drop-down menu. Choose the Center Line Type from the list to apply it to the selected object. If the centerline pattern is not clearly visible, adjust the line type scale using the LTSCALE command until the dashes and gaps display correctly. Using centerlines properly helps improve drawing clarity and gives your designs a more professional appearance. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.